How to delete a VPN profile on a Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, go down and tap on connections. After that, we go down, then tap on more connection settings. Next in here, tap on VPN, and then tap on the VPN profile that you want to delete. Here I will choose this IT Jungle's VPN profile, and then tap on the settings icon. Now go down and then tap on delete, and that's it. It is now deleted from your VPN list. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.